In this session, I will take you through HTS report generation using IQ Tools. Start by locating IQ Tools from your computer desktop. Double-click on the IQ Tools icon to launch. Go ahead to fill in the username and password and select the facility from the drop-down menu. Ensure that the Refresh IQ Tools data has been checked. This is to ensure that the reports generated will be current. Then click Login. Once you log in, you'll be directed to the IQ Care homepage. From the top bar menu, click Report tab. The list displays different types of reports. Our interest for this session is the HTS reports. There are 4 available HTS reports, starting with the HTS Lab Register, Partner Notification Service Register, Family Testing Register, and the Referral and Linkage Register. For example, if you want to generate HTS Lab Register reports, click on the radio button adjacent to the HTS Lab Register, then proceed to select the time period that you want your report to relay. It can either be monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. Thereafter, click on Generate Report button. You will get feedback, and immediately the system generates the report. You'll be able to visualize the report in an Excel format. Kindly note that this report is a replica of the HTS paper register with summaries on your extreme right. This is disaggregated data on your extreme right. The same procedure applies in generating the other listed HTS reports. The report tool allows you to custom query other HTS reports. To custom make reports, click on the Queries tab. Remember, custom query has 2 phases: the design phase and the preview phase. Let us now start off with the design phase. Click on the Advanced Radio button to display the database tables. Scroll down to view HTS tables. Keep in mind the tables are arranged alphabetically. Double-click on the desired tables, which will be displayed on your preview pane. Select your desired variables chronologically to be displayed in a report. Once done, click on Preview to display your report. This report can be exported in an Excel format for further manipulation. Suppose you get an error message while exporting the report into Excel as displayed. Don't you worry. You can solve this by creating a cohort folder in Drive C. Then inside this folder, create another folder and name it Excel Extracts. One word, Excel Extracts. Let's now get back to export our Excel report. Now you see, here is our Excel export. IQ Tools allows you to combine more than one table. Get back to the design phase. Select the second table by double-clicking on the desired table. Link the first table to the second table with a variable that is common in both the 2 tables. The tables are linked with a variable that is common on both tables. Select your desired variables chronologically, starting with table 1, then move to table 2. Once you have selected your desired variables, right-click on the link between table 1 and table 2 and make table 1 the dominant table by selecting all rows from the HTS Lab Register, which is our dominant table. Once you have done that, click on the Preview tab to display your report. Voila! There comes our report. Notice the arrangement of the reports in columns. They are arranged according to the sequence of picking the desired variables. Let's get back to combine more than two tables. We'll get back to our design phase. Pick another additional table by double-clicking. Combine now the first table to the last table because the first table is our dominant table. Communication always emanates from the dominant table. Link the dominant table to our third table. Then, communication from the dominant table to the third table. Click on your desired variables from the third table. And again, between the link, right-click between the link and confirm that the first table will always be the dominant table by selecting all rows from the dominant table. Once done, click on the preview icon to display the report. The last two columns in your table have been added from the third table we selected. That is how to combine more than two tables. This brings us to the end of HTS reporting session.